hello beautiful people. Ito na naman po ang inyong lingkod na si Pangyaw Maria. So today update for the giant Christmas tree dito sa San Malong for almost 5 days. So ayan nga, panoorin nyo mga Pangyaw. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and please, kung like nyo po tong aking video, please hit the like and please share. At kung gusto nyo naman po ma-update na every time na meron akong latest dito sa aking workplace. So ayan, sa mga Pangyaw po natin dyan, please click na notification bell at para naman po makita nyo ang ilang parte dito sa Macau. So sa mga Pangyaw po natin dyan, let's join with me. It's a giant Christmas tree. Giant Christmas tree. Still not yet finished. As you can see, there's so many boxes still go. So ayun mga payaw, updated for the a giant Christmas tree dito sa San Malo. So ayan, kung makikita nyo, a lot of boxes. Yes. So dahil nga for how many days yan ini-install nila yung the giant Christmas tree. So until now, hindi pa rin tapos. So sa mga pangyaw po natin dyan, kung like nyo po itong aking video, please subscribe to my channel. And please, once again mga pangyaw, hit the like and please share. At kung meron naman po kayo gustong i-comment or you suggest about to all my video, please comment in comment section. And please, kung gusto nyo naman po ma-update na every time na meron latest ang inyong pangyaw, please click na notification bell. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless to everyone. If you want to be happy, always smile. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you and see you on my next video.